Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys security setting, and today video title is guys how to add fingerprint lock data in Infinix mobile. Friends, you have one fingerprint lock. Friends, you want to use 2, 3, 4, 5 fingerprint lock on your Infinix mobile. So friends, now let's see how to set and how to add fingerprint lock in Infinix mobile. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. After phone setting, as you can see this type interface on your device. Friends, click here Infinix mobile security setting. After security setting, friends, click here fingerprint lock and draw your device pattern and enter your device pin. Friends, your lock screen password, friends, enter here. After enter password, after draw pattern lock, friends, you can see add fingerprint. So friends, click here next option. So which fingerprint friends you want to add guys, you can add your fingerprint on your device. So with this finger friends I will add. Pen touch and remove a different move guys. Touch here on fingerprint and you can set, you can add fingerprint. First you can see we have two fingerprint. First you want to use three fingerprint lock. Next here, first which fingerprints you want to use guys? Touch and remove, touch and remove, touch, remove, touch, remove, touch, remove, different move by touch and remove, and you can set fingerprint lock. You can add fingerprint on your Infinix mobile. So friends, like that you can add fingerprint 4, 5, 6. And friends, you can verify your fingerprint. Friends, you can see when I will touch get this finger, friends, you can see we can check this is finger 3. And friends, you can see when I will click one finger, friends, you can see 1. When I will click this finger, so friends, I can verify my fingerprint lock. And friends, you can check on your lock screen, lock your phone. You want to unlock your phone, this finger you can unlock. So like that friends, we can add fingerprint lock. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. And friends, you can unlock your phone with this finger also. Touch here, phone unlock. So bye friends, thanks for watching.